Welcome to the Trading with Venus podcast, where we help you establish strong trading habits, generate consistent profits, and create the lifestyle you desire for yourself and your family. Now your host, Raman Gill.
Hi, this is Raman from Trading with Venus, and welcome to my cooking show. A little while ago, I had talked about how I was experiencing some health issues. I have small children, and when they go out to school, they pick up germs from everywhere, and I find they bring everything home, and in turn, I get sick and my husband gets sick, and we have this cycle going where we keep passing the germs off to each other. And so I have been thinking about how do we get past that. I've been focusing a lot on health and bringing more healthy stuff into our life so that we are able to better fight the germs. We are able to maintain a good lifestyle so that I can trade better for myself. Because I find when I have losses, a lot of them are when I'm tired or when I'm not feeling well, I'm not performing at my best. So when my health is not at its peak, my performance suffers as well. A friend of mine suggested that I try green smoothies because she's been on green smoothies for a while and she's experienced great energy from it. So she suggested I give it a try, and I went and bought a Vitamix. I tried it in my regular blender, and I found that it wasn't blending too well. I was almost chewing the leaves, and I don't like doing that. So I went and bought this Vitamix. It's a really good blender, and I just went and got it from Costco, so you can find it online if you want to try it. I do really like it. So what I want to show you today is how to make a green smoothie. We start off with a few key ingredients. Even though they're green smoothies, I like to put some fruits in them. So I'm starting off with some mandarin oranges that I have already peeled and put in my blender here. I have some mango. Of course, with my background, mango is something I really enjoy eating. So this is one of my favorite things to put in there, especially with the summer coming up. We're getting a lot of mangoes these days. So I like to put seasonal fruit in my smoothies. And of course, so you wouldn't think I'm only putting fruits in there. I have some celery to put in here as well, and then I have cucumber. So we do have lots of vegetables in here, and finally I have some pineapple slices that I'm going to put in here, and of course, to make it green, we have some spinach, and you can put kale and other things in there as well. I like to put spinach because it doesn't taste as bitter for me. And what's great about green smoothies is that you can put whatever you have in the fridge. My celery was about to go bad, so I thought I'd just toss it in and add some flavor to it. All right, so let's get making or blending. Okay, so it goes celery, some mango, spinach, okay, now spinach is of course very light, but it does fill up the blender, so just be mindful of that. And I like to put the heavier stuff on top so that spinach does settle in there. And here we have everything in there. So really you can just mix whatever stuff is in your fridge, some fruits, some vegetables, and we want to top it off with a little bit of water so that it's not too thick. And close it off here, and here we go. So we just let it blend for about 45 to 50 seconds, and here we have a perfectly blended green smoothie. So let's just pour it out and see what it tastes like. And as you can see, there is really no leaves or anything in there. So this is why I really like this blender, because it just mixes things up really well. So let's give it a try. Really good. So that's my cooking show today. Thank you for joining me today for other videos like this one and some more useful one like technical analysis. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel and you stay in touch. We'll see you next time.
Thanks for joining us today. With much gratitude, your show host, Raman Gill.